visited the park with a 7-year-old child. We met with friends, 7 years old and 10 years old. Beautiful interior, safe slides, beautiful view from the panoramic window. The play area is clean, the place is suitable for children's parties. We visited the play area on a weekday. In the first half of the day, we were the first visitors. The child had a fun time with friends, and the adults chatted and drank delicious coffee. The ticket includes a coupon for 250 baht, which can be spent in a cafe. The cafe pours drinking water for children for free. To enter the park, you must have socks with anti-slip pads, or you can buy them for 60 baht. Adults can have regular socks. I recommend visiting the park.